Friends, the given problem is evaluate integral 0 to pi integral 0 to a into 1 plus cos theta r square cos theta dr d theta. So here you observe integrand is in terms of r comma theta. By the observation you can say this is a double integral f of r comma theta dr d theta, right? So the limits you observe. First, the limits are independent both. No, only one is independent, another one is dependent. Now are they given a dependent variables? The limits nothing but it is in terms of r, it is in terms of theta directly? No. So we need to find out. How we will find out? First, you see, write down what are the variables limits you require, r and theta. So r and theta is there. Observe, this is the function from 0 to theta. So function of theta only here. So function of theta is nothing but round of this. So it is obviously dependent on another variable. What is another variable we have? R. So this is a limit for r, and rest of the integral is a limit for theta, right? It is a clear. Of course, by the observation you can say sir 0 to pi, I know this is the angle only, so directly I can take theta. Yes, that is correct. But in how to find means like this you can say. Now we have to evaluate this integral. This integrand you observe, r is a function of theta. So first you integrate with respect to dependent variable r, and then you integrate with respect to theta. That is the procedure we have. Right now you see first, now integral 0 to pi. Cos theta is cos theta. I am writing outside because I am integrating with respect to r. So r integration is r cube by 3. Limits from 0 to a into 1 plus cos theta into d theta. Now 1 by 3 I am writing outside. Integral 0 to pi cos theta into, this is a cube. Upper limit if you are substituted, a cube into 1 plus cos theta whole cube minus 0 cube is nothing but 0 into d theta. So now you observe 1 by 3 times of a by 3 is also constant only. From this here 0 is there, so totally a cube into 1 plus cos theta whole cube. So a cube I can write outside. Integral 0 to pi cos theta into 1 plus cos theta whole cube d theta. Now we have to expand this. How we will expand? Is there any formula for this? Yes, we have a formula. 1 plus x whole cube is equal to 1 plus 3x square plus 3x plus x cube. Okay, of course you can say first x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, right? Now in place of x what I have? Cos theta. So this is a cube by 3 integral 0 to pi cos theta into 1 cube is nothing but 1 plus x cube. I am writing x cube is nothing but cos cube theta plus 3 into 1 into cos theta square. So 3 cos square theta plus 3 into 1 square into cos theta, that is 3 cos theta. That's it, into d theta, right? Now we have to multiply cos theta inside, then you will have a cube by 3 integral from 0 to pi cos theta plus cos power 4 theta plus 3 cos cube theta plus 3 cos square theta d theta. That's it. Now you have to evaluate this one. How to evaluate this integrand is nothing but you have two methods. Of course, by using calculator you can do directly, you can do, but I will tell you method, and then only later on I will tell you how to use the calculator also. First we have to separate this all integrals, okay, by linearity property. We will get a cube by 3 integral 0 to pi cos theta d theta plus integral 0 to pi cos to the power of 4 theta d theta plus in 3 times of integral 0 to pi cos cube theta d theta plus 3 you have 3 times of integral 0 to pi cos square theta d theta. Friends, you see directly I can say this value will be 0 and this value will be 0. Okay, this value will be 0. How it is 0 means by using the calculator you can say, but you have a method. That method I am going to explain right now. Friends, we have one theorem on a definite integral, that is let f be a function defined on closed interval 0, 2a. So f be a real valued function and which is an integrable from the 0 to 2a and which is integrable on 0 to a, then if f of 2a minus x is equal to f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x if you written, then integral 0 to 2a f of x dx value is 2 times of integral 0 to a f of x dx. This is first case. Another case, same f of 2a minus x value is minus f of x for every value, for all x belongs to 0 to 2a. If minus f of x is came, then directly you write down 0. If only f of x is came, then write down 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx. Okay. And moreover, we have one more function also, one more theorem, that is integral from minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to 2a f of x dx. If f of x is a even function and 0 if it is an odd function. Okay, we will use these all formulas to solve this given integral. Right, you see friends, here you have a 0 to 2a. In place of 2a, what I have? Pi. Here also same limits. Limits are not changed here, and only integrands will be changed. Generally, you can do directly cos theta integration is what? Sin theta. You see, cos theta integration is sin theta. If you are substituted limits 0 to pi, then you will have sin pi minus sin 0. What is sin pi? 0. Minus sin 0 is 0. So this value is 0. You can say directly like that. Otherwise, you have another formula that just now we have discussed. By using that formula, how we can apply, you see. First integrand we have 0 to pi cos theta d theta. So this is, you can also write as, you see, cos of pi minus theta. Check it. First we are verifying cos of pi minus theta. Cos of pi minus theta is what actually? Cos of a plus b type. Cos of a plus b formula is, we have cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Here what we are doing means, here just we are verifying integral 0 to 2a f of x dx can be write as f of x form. If we are replaced f of 2a minus x, we are getting f of x or minus f of x. Just we are verifying. So for that, here 2a we have pi. So cos of function is what? Cos. So cos of pi minus theta. I want to expand this one. We have a formula, cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So what is the a here? You have pi. What is b? You have theta minus theta, that too. So cos pi, and this is a cos of a plus b is this one, right? Cos of minus theta minus sin pi sin of minus theta. You see, cos pi is nothing but minus 1. Cos of minus theta, cos is an even function, so cos of minus theta you will have cos theta only, minus sin pi is 0. 0 into this value will be 0. So if you simplify it, then you will have here cos theta. Which value is cos theta? Cos of pi minus theta value is cos theta. Nothing but here it is like f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x minus f of x we have. So in this case, integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to what we are writing? 0. So what you can say? Therefore integral 0 to pi cos theta d theta value is equal to 0. Sir, this much of lengthy why you are explaining means, because next we will do double integral 0 to pi cos square theta d theta we have to do. So this integral 0 to pi cos square theta d theta, I can write integral 0 to pi cos theta into cos theta d theta. So here you see this cos theta, you can write cos of pi minus x form. Cos of pi minus x, what we are getting here? Cos of pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So you will have here in this case integral 0 to pi cos of minus cos theta into minus cos theta into d theta. So minus into minus plus integral 0 to pi, this is cos square theta d theta only. So you have a same function. If I taken f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x only, I have written only 0 to pi. Even if you are not written also, not an issue. So same function you have. So what you can say in this case, this is even function. So you can write integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta d theta. Right. Integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta d theta. In the values method, we have this value is, first we will write 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. Into 1 by 2 whenever it is came, then you can write pi by 2. So this value is pi by 2. So integral of 0 to pi cos square theta d theta value is how much? Pi by 2. From the calculator also we are getting, you see, here we have integration. So use the integral symbol. Here we have a cos alpha x, close the bracket, power 2. Power 2. Limits from 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Alpha, sorry, shift 10 power x if you are pressed, then you will have pi. So this value is equal to how much you say? Pi by 2. So similar answer also we got same or not? Next we will do for cos power x power 3 also. You see what you are getting, you see power 3 I will change. Power 3 is equal to what you are getting? 0. Just now I told you this is 0. Anyway, next see if you multiply here, minus cos theta minus cos theta minus cos theta is nothing but minus cos cube theta. Minus cos cube theta, whenever it is came, then what you can say directly? Integral 0 to pi cos cube theta d theta value is 0 only, right? Next to only cos theta, what you are getting, you see only cos theta, nothing but here power is here 1. Okay, power 1 I am writing. So this value is also again 0. Okay, just now we got that one. Next we will check for 4. Now power 4 is equal to 3 pi by 8. Okay, now we will do that one. So now in place of this one, first cos of pi minus theta, we will let cos of pi minus theta is we have a minus cos theta. Yes or no? So cos to the power of 4 theta is nothing but we can write cos theta into cos theta into cos theta into cos theta. Now cos of so pi minus x power 4 pi minus theta is nothing but this is minus cos theta minus cos theta minus cos theta into minus cos theta. So finally 1 2 3 4 4 times of minus is nothing but positive only. So you will have cos to the power of 4 theta. Therefore integral 0 to pi cos to the power of 4 theta d theta, you can also write integral 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power of 4 theta d theta. From the values theorem you can write this is, first you have 4, so 4 minus 1 nothing but 3 by 4. 3 minus here 2 is nothing but 1. Here you have a 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2. 1 by 2 whenever it is came, write down directly pi by 2. So in this case 2 getting cancelled, you will have 3 pi by 8. You see, even if you are by using the calculator if you are done, then you have 3 pi by 8. Okay, now we have to substitute these all values in the integral. Okay, you see now this one only, now we have a cube by 3 times of what is this value directly? 0. I have proved. Even though we have a different method, by using the calculator you can do and the general method you can do, and this method also, values method also, you can say this is 0. Okay, because 1 minus 1 is 0. Next here 3 minus 1 is nothing but here 2. Next 2 minus 2 is nothing but 0 you are getting. So in that case also you are getting 0. Next this is 0 and this is also 0. Already we are proved this one. Now this cos to the power of 4 theta d theta, you have 3 pi by 8. Okay, 3 pi by 8 plus 3 times of what you have, this value is, this is we have 1 by 2 into pi by 2 we have. Okay, whenever 0 to pi if you are taken, we are multiplying with 2, so only you will have pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 is the answer. Now if you are simplified this, then we will have 3 outside, pi also will come outside, then 3a cube pi by 3 times of 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2, 3 getting cancelled, then pi a cube, LCM is here 8, then 1 plus 4, nothing but here you have 5 pi a cube by 8 is the answer. So is it clear for everyone how to evaluate this integral 0 to pi cos theta d theta, integral 0 to pi cos to the power of 4 theta d theta, this one? Okay, right. Thank you for watching this video.